We're going to make a 1-point perspective name like this. First, we're going to start with drawing our horizon line. Make sure that the ruler is parallel with the edge of the paper. We'll draw a line. And we're going to draw our vanishing point right over here. Okay, now we're going to draw a line that goes from the vanishing point to the top corner of the page, like so. Okay, and that's how it should look, like a big alligator. And now I'm just going to very lightly write my name. Now the corners, the top left corner is going to touch that line. So I'm just going to draw them really lightly, then I'll turn them into block letters. Okay, so only this side of the U needs to touch. This side doesn't need to. Okay. So that side needs to touch. So I'm always going to start right up here at the line to make sure that the letter touches. Okay? Now I'm going to have a really big M. I should have made those letters a little bigger. Okay, now that I've got this part done, I can make them into block letters. Just fix this up a little bit. Erase this line. And I'm going to just put another little D inside of here. Now, to make sure my U is the same on both sides, I'm just going to draw that line with the ruler. I'm going to make sure the corner touches this line. And to make sure my M is straight, I'll draw the line with the ruler as well. Okay. And make sure this side is straight too. Okay, now the top, I want to be kind of flat, so okay, I gotta make sure this line is parallel. And this line is parallel to this line. Okay, now I can erase all this. Okay, now I've got my name. I just need the drop shadow because that's what we're doing this for. We want the drop shadow to have that perspective, so we're just going to put it on the left side. It'll only be on the left side. Okay, like this. use a ruler for this one. Okay. This looks kind of weird. I think this part would look like more like that. Okay, so then I'm just gonna color in these, outline the whole thing with Sharpie, and just color in these parts. And when I shade, I'm gonna shade the side that connects to this drop shadow darker, getting lighter and lighter and lighter on each one. Okay. All right, for the number up here, I'm going to use the same vanishing point. Okay, so if I'm doing, let's say, a 2 up here. Now first, I want to make sure it's not going to connect to the sketchbook triangles. I don't want to cut out of that too, so I want to make sure there's a line there. And I'll put my 2 below it. I'll draw it lightly, and then I'll make it into a block letter. Oops. Okay, now that I've got my 2, I'm going to connect the corners to the vanishing point. So this corner here, and this corner here, and also this corner here, and this corner. Okay, now I can just make those drop shadows there and there. Okay. And I will erase the perspective lines, the receding lines that we don't need. And we can erase them from here too. We can erase that vanishing point. There. So there you have it. Once you've got it like that, then you can trace it with Sharpie and color with colored pencil.